In this video, we'll take you through the complete installation process of one of our modular steel building projects. The modular units are carefully disassembled for transportation. Using a crane, each container is safely lifted and separated, making the process quick and efficient. The containers are then loaded onto OCT's specially manufactured trailers, purpose-built to transport these modular units safely. Before transportation, each container is securely covered to ensure maximum protection throughout its journey to the Dutco site. Once on site, the installation process begins, with the entire project completed in just 5 days. On day 1, the numbered containers are lifted and positioned one by one, according to the plan layout. Once the ground floor is complete, the containers are sealed and securely bolted together to create a strong, unified structure. Day 2 focuses on the second floor installation, following the same precise process. Day 3 focuses on sealing, waterproofing, and electrical connections. Each DB board is then connected to the main DB board, providing power throughout the entire building. Day 4 begins the interior finishing process. Skirting is installed throughout the office, and carpets are fitted over the remaining joints between the modular units. Day 4 includes exterior flashing around the building's edges, incorporating Dutco's signature colors to create a distinctive, modern, and finished appearance. One of the biggest advantages of our modular system is the installation time. Unlike traditional prefabricated buildings, which can take 4 to 5 weeks to assemble on site, our modules are fully manufactured before they leave the factory. Once delivered, the process is simply lifting, positioning, joining the modules together, and completing the final connections, reducing installation time from weeks to just days.